In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix "Whoops, we encountered unexpected error. Please try again" on Twitch. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you have encountered this error, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to troubleshoot your Twitch app. To do this, first go to settings, and from settings look for apps. Under apps, go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Twitch, and now if I tap on it, here we are on Twitch app info page. Go to force stop and OK, and go to clear data and choose clear cache and final OK, and finally clear all data. Once you're done, now restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your Twitch app, the error should be gone. However, if you still encounter the same error, log into your Twitch account using any mobile browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, or even Brave, or any other browser that you are using like Opera. And if you are able, and if it returns the same error, then most likely Twitch might have encountered an internal server error. For that, try after some few minutes, and now everything should be up and running. But after doing this, if you still can't, then it's time to check if we have any update for Twitch. For that, go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for Twitch and update your app to the latest version. By updating your app, now everything should be fixed. Also check and ensure that you are not using any VPN app or any proxy app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.